सा तू.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and yet another video with who else?
Me.
And this video was actually recommended by her. She said, let's film another video. मैंने बोला सूरज कहाँ से निकला है? So of course we had to get down and do this for you all. We are doing 21 questions today. Now we've been seeing this trend going around a lot, जिसमें लोग like for example I would ask her 21 questions, she'd answer them. Next video में मैं answer करती, but we've made it a little bit shorter. So I'm going to be asking her 10 questions from any category. She's gonna ask me 10 questions from any category, and then last एक bonus question हम दोनों लेंगे. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Now without any further ado, let's get started.
Question number 1. If you were given a time machine, what would you do?
Oh, I would definitely go back into I wouldn't go into the future. I would go into the past. There are a lot of things I wish I had done differently in my teenage years.
What is the bravest thing that you did in public?
I don't know if this counts as
The bravest thing
in public, but one of the bravest things I ever did was stand up for one of my friends who was getting bullied.
Oh, very nice.
And it was there were few people around, and I stood up against the bully.
Very
so I'm
nice.
proud of myself for that.
Name a movie that had a huge impact on your life. Actually इसके आंसर बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, ऐसी काफी सारी movies है, but I think any one जो सबसे ज्यादा major तुझे पसंद है.
Okay, this is gonna sound very cheesy, okay, but it's Z&M.
Me too.
No, really, because मतलब बहुत सारे lessons थे. Of course, you know, some people will say कि वो अमीरों की party थी.
Yeah.
But that whole point of जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Correct.
Like, you
Seize
have
the
one
day, my
life,
friend.
Seize the day. Yeah.
If you had a superpower, what would it be?
Invisibility.
Oh yeah, me too. Oh my god. What would you name your autobiography?
ये क्वेश्चन पता है मुझे 10th स्टैंडर्ड के फेयरवेल में पूछा था.
Oh my god. क्या फैशन राउंड में?
फैशन शो था. There were 3 rounds. So first round में क्लियर की, ठीक है, and then second round में it was finalizing people for the main finals जो भी है, and they pulled out chits for questions. And मेरे पहले जो थी ना उसको पूछा what does this farewell mean to you? And मैं वो सुन के मैंने सोचा wow कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, because you know for me also that farewell meant a lot or whatever. I said ये तो मैं easily answer कर लूंगी. I went on stage, they're like, if you had to write an autobiography of your life, what would you call it?
10वीं के बच्चे
I'm
को ना
16
समझ
years old. Now at this point, it would be walking on a bed of roses and thorns. That would be my autobiography. Because I've had a lot of amazing experiences in life, but also some pretty painful ones.
Nice, interesting. If you hit the jackpot, what would you do with the money?
More difficult. But
Maybach, BMW.
yeah, dude, I would do the basic घर
Yeah,
गाड़ी.
वो तो सभी करते हैं ना.
घर गाड़ी, investing in my business. बाकी घूमूंगी यार, world tour करूंगी.
वो मुझे भी लेके चल.
Yeah, sorry for if this is a shallow answer, but honestly,
Yeah,
that's all
हम
I
यही
can do.
करेंगे. I think. What cuss word do you use when you are annoyed? Say it.
And we'll bleep it out, na?
हाँ.
When I'm annoyed,
Okay.
that's all. I don't swear, guys. And you know, I didn't swear until I was in, I think 12th standard.
Yeah.
Yeah, never.
Wow, dude. Do animated movies touch you?
Oh yes, absolutely. I think I cried when I watched Monsters Inc. and Finding Nemo.
Oh yeah. Nemo. वो जो गुम जाता है वो.
हाँ, जिसका छोटा फिन होता है.
Which movie character do you relate to?
गीत.
एक सेकेंड. तू वो आदित्य कौन? आदित्य नाम होता है ना उसका. आदित्य मिलने वाली गीत तू है और अंशुमन छोड़ के जाने वाली गीत मैं. सच्ची में.
बट हाँ मैं गीत हूँ यार.
हाँ.
मैं बहुत चपड़ करती हूँ.
भी करेगी फिर शांत भी बैठी रहेगी कोने में.
Yeah.
फिर मुझे बोलेगी पता है क्या हुआ.
This is fun, huh? Good
Yeah.
questions.
How much do looks and appearance have to do with a relationship?
This is very personal to everyone. I think when it comes to relationships, initially looks do matter because that is the only filter you have. मतलब तुम और किस
और
चीज
क्या ही
पे
दूर से देखेगा तो अट्रैक्टिवनेस वो उसी से आता है.
अट्रैक्शन उधर से आता है.
But for a long term, no 100% personality.
does
Yeah.
Looks do not matter
At all.
I would say even 10%.
Yeah.
Attraction matters, but attraction is not only refined to looks. You can have a very
it
good
can be
looking-
temporary also now when you are
Yeah, yeah.
attracted.
But
it can be
also,
just like a one time thing.
You can have a very good looking guy but
Yeah.
with zero personality.
Yeah, oh my
फिर
God.
नहीं होता. But you could have an okay looking guy with an amazing personality.
Correct.
That's it. That's more important.
Yep. Segment number 2.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah.
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 Like
I do.
प्यार.
Yeah.
Damn.
I think हुआ है love at first sight.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
so-
If you run into your celebrity crush, what would you do?
Oh my God.
First, who is your celebrity crush? Say, put it out there.
सी मैं बताती हूँ. मुझे आलिया भट्ट अच्छी लगती है. ठीक है, आलिया भट्ट तो है मेरी
Yeah,
वजह से,
yeah.
क्योंकि
She's
आई
your
लव
girl
हर एक्टिंग.
crush.
या शी इज माय गर्ल क्रश. लेकिन मुझे आदित्य रॉय कपूर से प्यार है.
Imagine अगर वो सामने आ गया.
Oh my god.
What if you get a call saying?
No, I would pass out. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I don't know how I would react, but I think I would cry.
Really?
Yeah, I think खुशी के आंसू. I think मैं बाद में रोती घर आके
हाँ.
कि वाओ मतलब ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. लेकिन ना मुझे ऐसे सिचुएशन में रिएक्ट करना नहीं आता. ऐसे मैंने खुद के बारे में बहुत नोटिस किया. आई फील लाइक कि मैं बहुत शांत हो जाती हूँ. मैं शॉक हो जाती हूँ. मुझे प्रोसेसिंग है तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं रिएक्ट करती. मैं दिखाती नहीं मुझे कैसा फील हो रहा है वो टाइम पे. अगर इतना ज्यादा कुछ ओवरवेलमिंग हो रहा है तो.
And do you think that can be misunderstood sometimes?
या
by
ऑफ
other
कोर्स
people? Yeah.
बोलेंगे इसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं
हाँ.
है.
Okay, what is the one thing about you that most people think is true, which is actually false?
आई थिंक लोगों को बहुत लगता है कि मैं बहुत सॉर्टेड हूँ अपनी लाइफ में.
Nice.
इससे बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि इसका तो हो गया. ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम बन गया या यूट्यूब बन गया तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. There's just constant stress, constant anxiety, and also other factors that I don't share on my social media जो किसी को बिल्कुल ही आइडिया नहीं है मेरे बारे में.
It's like you only know the tip of the iceberg of anyone's life.
या कि ऐसे सबके ही बारे में होगा ना.
Okay, do you consider yourself to be an emotional or a logical person?
I think I was very emotional till like 20 years तक maybe. I think last 1-2 साल से I have started to think more practically. I think अभी लॉजिक में ज्यादा यूज करती हूँ. पहले ज्यादा इमोशनली हर चीज को लेती थी मैं.
Do you have any tattoos?
I have many.
Do you want to show them?
Yeah, let's do a tattoo tour. ऐसे टाइटल डालना.
Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Let's do a tattoo tour.
Okay, this is my first tattoo music वाले. सारे मेरे म्यूजिक वाले हैं. This is also second. It is treble and clef. ये staff notations है इसके अंदर. This is Rhapsody. This is my
So
classical
beautiful.
guitar. Yeah. And then इधर भी treble and clef है. And then बाकी मेरे बॉडी पे तो वो मैंने दिखा.
Yeah, she has quite a few tattoos. इसको टैटू का कीड़ा 2 साल से ही काटा है. उसमें इतना सब बना लिया है.
Yeah. मुझे piercing, I even have a septum piercing. I don't wear it
Yeah.
regularly, but I love piercing and tattoos in general.
We were this close to getting a belly piercing.
Oh my God, yeah.
Is double texting a big deal?
For me, yes, and I'm sorry. I know, but I feel first of all I overthink a lot when it comes to these things. ठीक है, over
Yeah.
double texting and all. But if it's important, I'll do it. I think I'm very extreme. या तो मैं बहुत ही सोचूंगी, I'm like, dude, मेरा ego मैं बिल्कुल बीच में नहीं लाऊंगी. I'll just text it out or call the person or whatever. नहीं तो फिर मैं एकदम अगर क्या बोलते हैं स्कॉर्पियो जोन लियो जोन में चली गई ना तो फिर मैं बिल्कुल ही नहीं देखूंगी कि like I don't give a shit. तू डबल टेक्स्ट कर मुझे, मैं नहीं करूंगी डबल टेक्स्ट.
Yeah, dude, you have both of these phases.
Yeah.
But I've seen the second phase more. I have not seen the.
हाँ,
चल मैं
no.
जाके कर लेती हूँ. I've seen.
हाँ कि उसका आने दे.
हाँ, this I've seen more. नहीं, but काफी अच्छा क्वालिटी है. I wish मुझ में होता. मैं थोड़ी फर्स्ट
नहीं लेकिन फिर लोगों को रूड लगता है ना. ऐसा भी
रूड चाले rather than being a doormat. Never be a doormat.
Yeah, be a दरवाजा.
Get on their face.
Yeah, मुंह पे दरवाजा बंद करना सीखो.
Lesson of the day. Have you ever set the kitchen on fire?
No.
Okay, are you a good cook, basically?
I can cook Maggie and cold coffee. तो मैं किचन में होती ही नहीं हूँ तो मैं किचन में आग लगा ही नहीं सकती. My best friend is Swiggy.
Okay, how much would you pay somebody who is threatening to release your browser history?
Oh my god.
Scandalous है क्या तेरा browser history?
नहीं मतलब मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. जा दिखा दे.
हाँ, nice.
तू हाँ मैं बोलूंगी तेरा भी देखते बाद में फोन.
What is your dream concert to attend?
Dream concert to attend?
Yes.
Nice question. I want to see A.R. Rahman अमित त्रिवेदी, शंकर महादेवन, ऐसे जो बड़े अच्छे आर्टिस्ट है साथ में, like a 1 hour set by everybody and me in the VVIP section सामने से उनको देख पाऊँ ऐसे. It will be oh my god magical.
You've also seen Shankar Mahadevan perform.
Yeah.
Even I have.
Yeah,
He's
but
amazing.
yeah, I want to see like all the legends
best.
together perform.
Yeah. Would you rather have endless money or incredible fame?
100% endless money.
But the fame के साथ पैसा आएगा ना?
नहीं, but और ही है ना क्वेश्चन में कि या तो ये या तो वो है ना.
Yeah, but that is endless. Fame में end होगा, but आएगा ना?
Oh, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है.
I'm just saying. Question ऐसा नहीं है. It's just endless money or fame.
I think fame से मेरे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Money is
हाँ, money is important.
Money.
Give me the money because अभी नहीं है. इसका चाहिए.
वो Swiggy Zomato के लिए चाहिए ना.
हाँ.
Now that we're done with 20 questions, we have one last one. ये bonus question हम दोनों answer करने वाले हैं.
What would you do if you found out your crush was going to be your co-passenger?
Assuming that this is some journey, some
हाँ.
long journey, so I think I would start a nice conversation and see how the vibe.
अच्छा, तो
Is
you
the-
would start a conversation.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to sit there and not talk because the
Okay.
extrovert in me would.
Oh
निकल
yeah,
ही
and
आता.
I am not. Like
Yeah.
I would do. मैं ऐसे कुछ fake वेक देती हूँ मुझे. Sorry. I would do some action so that he would talk to me. I would.
Yeah. What if the guy isn't talking to you? Even तू सब ऐसा
तो
वैसा
मैं-
सब कर रही है फिर भी.
मैं लास्ट मोमेंट तक रुकती एंड देन फिर मैं कर लेती.
क्या मतलब अभी उतरना है and फिर बात
हाँ
करती
हाँ, मैं ऐसे बहुत बारी लास्ट जो
इट्स नॉट दैट इजी फॉर मी. ऐसा नहीं है कि इंस्टेंट हो जाता है. मेरे
Yeah.
अंदर भी बहुत एंजाइटी वो होती है.
हाँ.
बट देन एट सम माय फंडा इन लाइफ इज कि इफ आई रियली वांट समथिंग आई गो आफ्टर इट.
Yeah.
व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट दैट विल हैपन? आई वोंट गेट इट.
या
बट मुझे कभी वो रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया.
राइट, इसलिए मैंने बोला. लेकिन मैं लास्ट मोमेंट तक रुकती बिकॉज द इंट्रोवर्ट इन मी कुड नेवर.
Screaming.
या आई विल बी लाइक शिट, मेरा आवाज स्क्वीकी निकल गया तो ऐसा निकल. या कुछ मेरे दांत पे लगा हुआ. लिपस्टिक तो नहीं लग गई दांत.
मेरे क्रश के सामने मैं खुद के शूलेसेस पे ट्रिप होके गिरी हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
And I laughed it off. So yeah.
But the other person should also take it in that
Yeah,
way.
dude,
ना?
what if they go like,
Yeah, like हाँ, she. लेकिन निकल फिर.
हाँ, फिर
आम्हाला नको.
Oh, that is pretty much. नहीं, ये बहुत low energy था.
Okay.
Alright guys, so that was it for these 21 questions. I
बहुत
hope-
मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया. I think starting this video हमें नहीं लगा था इतना मजा आएगा. But this time what we did was we pulled out some questions from a question bank online. But if you'd like us to do more challenges, then please let us know in the comments below. You can also send in your questions below and we'll look into them and be sure to come back to you with.
If
a
you
few
like the
comments.
video, please like the video and press the
Ghanta. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.